Been out for a walk. We've got a type of shell. No idea what type. Welcome back to video 3. Thank you for coming back. I appreciate it. It's been a little while since I've been in the workshop and I've had a sexy upgrade. The continuity of this video is all over the shop, but it doesn't matter. Let's just get through it, shall we? You've seen the cheeky intro. Let's get stuck in. Nice to see you again. First job on the agenda is the neck. Can you see the neck? There it is. There's the neck. And I've got in here my little pack of crack. It's not really crack. It's seashells. You saw me picking them up, but I thought I'd wrap them up and make myself look like I'm in an 80s gangster movie. This is gonna go in here. I've got rather a lot. I don't need this much. And I didn't crush it up that finely, so I've got to figure out a way of sifting that. I won't do it on camera because that is boring. I have got some glow-in-the-dark powder stuff, and I've got a bit of white in there. So I'm gonna mix a bit of that in with that. And they might glow in the dark. They might not. You might need a lot more than what I'm going to put in. But tough shit, we'll give it a go. You know how it works around here, we'll give it a go. If it don't work, it don't work. If it does work, we'll just claim that we knew it was going to work. Super fine, super glue. I'll just get myself a little tub. No, we don't eat Chinese.
It's quite pungent. It stings the nostrils.
That stinks. Don't know what that smells of, but it's not good. Have I got a sieve? I think I might have. Yes! He's only got a sieve. Speaker grill from a PC build many years ago. So I'm gonna sieve this. Crushed seashells, that works a treat. I'm a little bit chuffed about that. Can you tell? So there we go. There we have our crushed seashells. Into that is going to go this ridiculously overpriced and teeny tiny tub of something that I bought. Welcome to Breaking Bad. There. Crushed seashells on a bed of brass, as promised. I feel like I should be doing this butt naked so I can't steal anything. Right, so that's piled up there. This is going to look minging and messy until we've sanded it all off. But I'm just going to put a cheeky drop of super glue on each one. A little bit of a spray. Pop! This is basically what they are. This is what the inlays are. That's what we've ground down. That's what is in our inlays. That's gone nice and hard. I'm happy with that. Let's give it a file off. I think that's going to look all right. We'll give that a cheeky sand off now. See if we can improve our situation. Come this way. Oh, we've had to move hell of a far. So we'll go a bit of 120 grit on here, nothing major. And there we go. Get some brown bits in there, you get some, it's all very natural. Crushed seashells surrounded by brass. Wembury Beach inlays. Beautiful. As you can see, we've got a nice upgrade. The Laguna Fusion F1 table saw. Dreams. Dreamy Dreamersons. Loving that. Don't know what I'm going to make, but I've got it. And it's awesome. Hands up if you love tools. If you eat a lot of skier, high in protein, keep the pots. Great for mixing epoxy. Right, what else are we going to do on the neck today on this cheeky little video? We're going to put some machine head holes in. We'll put them in now quickly. Telly headstock. There she blows. I'm going to clamp that on because they tend to move. She's a wriggler. Now most tuning pegs are a 10mm hole. And this template's got an 8mm hole in it. So I'm just going to clamp that. I'm going to get out my posh 8mm drill bit, and I'm just going to twist this backwards to give myself a little prick. So you can see there, got some little pricks. Lovely. So we have been mad busy here. We say we, it's only me. But I did enlist Steve Midwinter from Midlec to do the electrics for me. Thanks, Steve, you miserable old bastard. All right, okay, so we're done there. Let's go and drill these out, shall we? Follow me. So let's go and get a 10mm in the pillar drill. Can you hear the dog outside? Hates me. Still, it's not mine. Commence lighting. Commence lasers. Blows my mind with these complications. Okay, so we've got some holes. What's next? We've just got to shape the back of this neck, which I'm not going to do today. I'm not going to do anything with the headstock. I'm going to leave it walnut because it looks lovely. It all ties in. So we're not going to go mad with that. But I'm going to laser engrave my logo on there. So shall I take you down to Fritzl's basement? Right, welcome to Uncle... Fucking hell, that was close. Welcome to Uncle Fritzl's. Here we are down in the basement. Shh. We don't want to get touched. This is where the laser engraver lives. The CNC PC lives in here as well, cheeky. And then we've got lots of cookies and things drying out for future projects. For man cave signs. But anyway, back to this. Here's the neck. That's a crap angle. Should we have a good angle? Don't know why I'm talking like a predator. But here we go. Here's the laser engraver. Let's go next door and I'll show you how we set it up. Right click here, load an image. We've got my logo. Okay, wallop. Let's go and make sure it's in the right spot, shall we? I think that'll do, don't you? I don't know if that's particularly good for me camera lens.
Probably not.
Sat at home on his ass, Paul here. Just interjecting to tell you that I've sped this up by 100 times. Just to make it slightly less boring. That's not enough time to put a bit of music in, so you just have to listen to me waffle. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Make sure you hit that like button. Well, I said the continuity was all over the shop, and it is. So here's a little montage of how I made this delectable little bridge. That's kind of what I'm going for. This is all going to get shaped. It's going to be all rounded and nice and all lovely. Strings are going to come up through the middle. Acoustic bridge sunk in. I don't know how thin I can make this. That's the problem I've got here. Let's make it up as we go along. That's what we always do. We could all make strats and tellies. Leo figured that out, didn't he, years ago. Something's got to overhang at the back, but a bit of metal. A nice chunk of brass let into the bottom. And then that'll have a bit of an adjustment screw there, which you better pull this whole thing back and forth to intonate. At least get it pretty close. So that's a cool little development. I'm happy with that. My brain's gone a little bit awry.
The next morning.
Okay, we've reached the point. I've got a crazy idea. I want to make it happen. But we could just cock everything up. So you can see roughly what we're doing. This looks too chunky. It's not quite right. I need enough meat on this wood to hold this substantially and not be shite. I think I'm going to cut a channel in the body. Maybe 5mm deep, and then that'll allow that bridge to slide within it. It'll hold it in place to stop it from moving around. It'll also allow that to sink down into the body a little bit. Sink down? I don't know if it's going to work. I've done things before in the workshop, not this workshop, previous workshops, and I've just destroyed hours and hours of work because I've had an idea and I thought, let's have a go at that, and it hasn't worked. You can't let that deter you, can you? At the very worst, we could just chop this top off and put another bugger on. Just for you, let's do it. So I'm going to shut up now.
It's about time.
And I'll speed it up and make it look like I've did it in a minute. Let's go. Well, that's kind of where I need to be for now. Never put the Dremel on there before. Very nifty, bit flimsy. We're getting somewhere good. I think now once I get my neck pocket routed in and the neck fixed on, we can see where we're going. P90s are going to go on there like that. And then for the intonation, obviously I've got minimal adjustments. So for my intonation, the idea is that this can slide if need be. My strings are going to be string through the body. We're going to have ferrules on the bottom and little mini ferrules on the top, but I've only got silver ones and I want brass. So I'll get some of these in brass. I'll get some of them in brass. I think that's going to conclude where we are today. It is starting to look a bit cool. This has been in my head and I'm like, oh, shouldn't I? Don't know. I've done it. So let's just go with it. Yes. Looking cool. Totally winging it. I'm tempted with fake F-holes. Instead of doing a body carve, I'm tempted to do 2 fake F-holes that will route through that cap into the walnut. Oh, this is getting naughty, innit? Do you think it's getting naughty? Right, come back next time, because I think you'll agree, this is, we're upping our game a little bit here. Share this, subscribe, like it, leave a comment. I love your comments. I genuinely love them. You're all really friendly. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. The internet is full of assholes. Don't be one of them. Be lovely. Sayonara. Sayonara.